Grand Krust. Sabor salvaje.
Today we're going to make stewed prawns. To make this recipe for 4 people, you'll need 1 box of Vannamei prawns, 800 grams Grand Krust, half a liter of olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 laurel leaves, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, 100 milliliters of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, and salt. Heat the oil, garlic, black peppercorns, and the laurel leaves in a pot on low heat. This will release the flavors into the oil without burning anything. In the meantime, peel the prawns without removing the head or the tail. When the prawns are peeled, add the sweet paprika to the oil. Season the prawns and add them to the pot. After 2 minutes, add the vinegar, cover the pot, and remove it from the heat. The prawns will finish cooking with the remaining heat. You can enjoy this dish as a starter, an appetizer, or as an ingredient in a delicious salad. Bon appétit!